When should you choose a document database for NoSQL applications? Imagine building an app that needs to handle all kinds of different data without constantly changing the structure. That's where a document database can really shine. If your project involves data that varies a lot or changes often, a document database might be your best choice. These databases store data as JSON-like documents, which means each piece of data can have its own unique set of fields and data types. This flexibility is perfect if you're working with user profiles, social media posts, or product listings that keep evolving. Think about how your data might look. If you have nested objects or arrays, a document database can store all that in one place, making it easier to manage. For example, a product catalog with multiple images, specifications, and reviews can be stored as a single document. This way, you avoid complex joins or multiple queries, which can slow things down. Because related data is stored together, your queries can be faster and more straightforward. Another reason to pick a document database is if your data structure isn't set in stone. If your application needs to add new fields or change existing ones frequently, a document database allows you to do that without costly schema updates. You don't need to plan everything out in advance or worry about breaking your database when you add new features. This makes development quicker and less prone to errors. Scalability is also a big factor. Document databases support horizontal scaling through sharding, which means they can spread data across multiple servers. If your app grows and gets more traffic, this setup helps you handle larger amounts of data and users without slowing down. Plus, most document databases have user-friendly APIs for creating, reading, updating, and deleting data. This makes it easier for developers to work with and integrate into their applications. Use cases that benefit from document databases include content management systems, social media platforms, online stores, real-time dashboards, and Internet of Things data collection. These applications often need to store different types of data that can change over time, and they requiring fast, flexible access. In short, choose a document database when your application needs to handle flexible, ever-changing data structures efficiently. If you want to develop quickly, scale easily, and keep your backend simple, a document database is often the way to go.